Alright, it's your favorite newcomer to the restoration business. It's Wes from Restore Your Jordans and More. I got another project today. I got a pair of Jordan 1 Mids SE USA. Not a bad looking shoe. A little bit dirty, not bad at all. So we're going to clean it up real nice. Here's what they look like. So come back and I'll show you how I'm going to get it done. Alright, I'm a little excited to be able to do this one this week because this weekend is the 4th of July, so actually it comes in nice for that. So like I said, I'm going to do this as a nice cleaning. I'm going to make sure I get the inside and out. The midsoles are kind of dirty, so I'm hoping that a lot of that comes out in the wash, but if it doesn't, I'll probably put it in the ice box. The soles have a bunch of sand and pebbles in them. I'm going to pick them out. Get them all nice and cleaned up again. Even it's got most of the stars on it. The person who wore these did not wear them very much, or they took care of them. So they are a decent looking shoe. So like I said, we're going to get started with, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the laces out, and then the insoles, and then we're going to start our cleaning process. Here we go. So we're going to start with one. I'll go through one shoe completely. Same process is going to be for the second one, but I'm not going to actually show that one. It's going to be too much time. So we're going to get started. We're going to start with a soft bristle brush. Take it to the outside. It's a little difficult to get these these insoles while they're in the shoe, but I'm going to do the best I can. For those tight reach areas, I'm going to use the toothbrush. Like the side around the heel area, it's a little harder to get sometimes with the brushes. So if you use a little toothbrush, you can get in some of those crease areas. And still works out. Soft bristle brush area time is done. So now we're going to take our medium. We're going to take it to the midsoles. I don't know if you can see that any. It's a little dirty on the midsoles. It's looking pretty good. So for that part, and then now for the outsole, we're going to go to the stiff bristle brush, clean these things up down here. Oh, those are pretty dirty. The suds are definitely doing their job. Let that sit on there a little bit, get some more of that stuff off. So, like I said before, there's some rocks in here, so I'm going to pick them out before I put them in the washing machine. Again, the laces are still in here pre-treating. So that's going good. Most of the rocks came out with washing with the stiff bristle brush anyway. So we're going to put it now in our laundry bag. Alright, we're back from the laundry room. Midsoles came out nice and clean. I may not even have to do an ice box session on these. I could still probably try to put one through just to see if it changes any color or not, but they came out real nice. Not too bad on the suede. I was hoping that we weren't going to do that it wasn't going to bleed or anything like that onto the shoe. Worked out good. Looks good. Alright, as I said, those are coming out nice. I also took the steamer and did the same thing I used to do with the iron. This material is a little bit more of a nylon, some kind of cloth. I'm not exactly sure what it is. So it's not exactly leather. That's not at all leather, like there, right there. But so I used the steamer instead of the iron. Got some of those little wrinkles out of the nylon area. So again, you'll see those in the after pictures. But make sure that, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe, notification bell so you can get all the videos when they come out. Leave me a comment. and share it with your friends and family. I need this to get some more exposure. People can see what I can do and put my name out there more. Alright, before I start getting too far into start putting the laces back in and giving you all the pictures though, I also wanted to address, this is actually suede, and I did wash it, and it's kind of rough now, so you always have to go back in and reset the nap. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at any of these places and see if there's anything that I need to take off with the actual suede eraser. They look pretty good already. I don't really see too many marks I need to continue to take off. So I am just going to try to reset this nap and see if we can make it a little smoother. Basically what we're doing is just taking the crunchiness off, making it where if you rub your finger one way or the other way, you can feel like you feel smoothness, like a velvet kind of feel. So here we go. Usually at least in one direction. A little bit down the corner. That's much better. Oh yeah, much better on that one. Same thing on the other one. Oh yes, it's just so rough. So like I said, just rubbing in one direction. Listen to this. I don't know if you heard that or not, but I'll even get closer. That's how rough that area is. Alright, I guess that's going to call it for that one. So that's called resetting the nab of the suede. Alright, so now we're going to put our laces back in. Okay, like I said, the nab on the suede is reset. I was putting the laces back in, and I said, why don't I see what it looked like if I would just change the shoelaces to being white, because it's already got some white already there, but the background of the tongue is blue, so maybe it would look okay. I know this is the way they come. Alright, so this is what they look like side by side. The normal with the blue. Thought I'd throw some white laces in to see what it would look like. I don't think it's that bad of a profile. Kind of liking it. I like them both ways. Just let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. Anyway, these shoes are done. I'll leave that to you guys to like a kind of a vote to put up in there for us. So here comes the before and after pictures. We're getting there. I'm over 100 videos, 100 subscribers now, so we're getting there. A tenth of the way of where I'm trying to go. Alright, so I hope you like the before and afters. These shoes look good now. They looked okay before, but they look much better. Very, very good and wearable now. So, as always, I appreciate your support. Peace.